had some interesting observations to make on graveyards. And you'll notice the inscription here and the image of the boxing gloves. Bloom had this too. Well, he didn't say it, but he knew. More interesting if they told you what they were. So and so, wheelwright. I travelled for Cork Lino. I paid 5 shillings in a pound for a woman's with a saucepan. I cooked good Irish stew. Malika was a boxer. Now, we're going to have some words from Frank Hogan on Myler and who he was, his background. But to start the little ceremony, I'm going to call on the man in the macintosh.
Oh, that's priceless.
Ona, our secretary.
Thank you, James. Just to give you some background, I woke one morning in early June, and this was in preparation, and I was struck rather forcibly by the muse.
Light on your head, yes.
I think it was art, but you may have been accompanied by a small fellow called Paul. I arose and I took out my scissors and paste, and this is the result. It's called A Boxer. Here lies just a poor boy whose story has been told with 100 other Dubliners in the pages of the great book that is Ulysses. All human life, we each read what we wish to read about Bloom and his wife. All dressed up in our graveyard clothes, we're waiting to be gone, going home to Ithaca, where Dublin City summers leave Bloom, you and me. High and low, where the sailors, failers, and the Sibat sailors go, wandering through places lonely Joyce did know. In this corner lies a boxer, a fighter in his day, brought here to remind us of every blow that lays us low or cuts us, till we cry out in our anger lest our shame. We are living, by the riders are the fighters still remains. Lie, 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 lie. Myler, yo! Myler, Myler!